this quick how-to video, we're going to look at how to use the loading plan on OptiMate. So engine control is the first option on the first menu. To scroll through this menu, we press the blue menu button until we see loading plan. When loading plan is displayed, press the green OK button to enter, and we can see here that we currently have no volumes loaded into the three compartments. Using the selection button, we can scroll down to enter plan. When we see enter plan, we press the green OK button, and from here we can load in the volumes that we've loaded into each compartment. So compartment 1 is displayed. To enter compartment 1, press the green OK button, and we can enter the volume of product that we've loaded into that compartment here. So the thousandths increment is currently flashing. If we've loaded 2000 litres into compartment 1, we can modify the thousandths increment using the red modification button until we see 2000 litres. Once we're happy that the correct volume is displayed, press the green validation button to accept. We can scroll through and change the selection of compartment using the blue selection button. Compartment 2, if we want to enter the volume there, OK. And again, the red modification button modifies the flashing increment. The blue selection button moves that thousandths increment across to the hundredths. The red modification button again to enter the correct volume. Once we've got the correct volume, validation green button, and scroll down again to compartment 3, OK, and we can modify that to 2000 litres, green validation button. Once we have entered the volume for all the compartments, we press the blue selection button once more, and we will see valid loading plan. We need to press green OK button here, because this will then save all the information that we've just inputted into OptiMate. So we can see now compartment 1, we've loaded 2000 litres. Change the selection to compartment 2, 2500. Compartment 3, 2000. That's all correct. So as we go through our day and make our deliveries, OptiMate will deduct the volume we deliver from each compartment after each delivery. So if we deliver 500 litres from compartment 3, when we come back to this screen, we'll see 1500 litres, and so on and so forth. To come back out of this menu, press the red clear button until we see engine control, which is the first option on the first menu.